Next we'll see the unit 3. Here we'll see the isolation, identification, analysis. Okay, by this isolation after identification, right? Identification by any chemical test. After analysis, it means purity. To know the purity by TLC or HPLC methods. Okay, first we'll see the isolation. It is isolating by the any active constituents. Next, this identification we know by any chemical test. Here analysis by is the extraction of crude drug contain this chemical constituent that having like active constituents, right? We see in the in isolation like we have active constituent that is important for the pharmacological activity. Like coriander, it have biological source and chemical constituents. It have this coriandrium and fixed oil proteins, volatile oil. Have proteins, volatile oil, and it's a carminative. It's used as a carminative flavoring agent and used in the spices. Okay. Next, in this analysis, when we see it is a solid substance. Melting point is like it have melting point and physical evaluation methods. We'll see. Okay. After in our syllabus, we have this alkaloid glycosides, terpenoids, resins. Okay, we'll see. First, when we see this resin, it's an amorphous in nature. Amorphous, okay? It's a complex and organic substance. It's an amorphous, complex. Amorphous, it means amorphous, you know, right? It's an amorphous, like a powder, okay? It's a complex in nature and it's an organic substance. After it, it's a phosphotoxin in the resin. Here we have this phosphotoxin. Remember, like it have P. It means 3 rings. 3 like benzene rings. After we have this OOO, so we'll give this penta rings and we'll here 1 2 3 4, right? So 1 2 3 4, remember like that. Okay, after it it's having OH here, methyl groups with the OOO here, OOO and CH3. After it is a cycloketone lactone. It's a this. Okay. Next, its synonym is podophylotoxin. Podophylotoxin is a biological source lactone resin. It's a lactone resin we have seen here. After it's present in the roots, rhizomes of Podophyllum exandrium. Like PMOD is a Podophyllum MOD. It's a family, Barbidaceae family. It should contain not less than 40%, not more than 50%. Okay. Isolation, after isolation, extraction. Okay, extraction, semi-solid acid, water, PPT, filtration, residue. After wash it, pyrodoxine, there's alcohol, there's residue of benzene. Okay, isolation is required for the quantity of roots and rhizomes taken, and that is extracted with the methanol. That is extracted